Basic cutting techniques, understanding cutting tools and equipment. Hello folks, welcome to this lesson on basic cutting techniques. In the world of hairdressing, mastery of cutting techniques is essential for achieving desired styles and maintaining the health of the client's hair. Before diving into specific cutting techniques such as scissor over comb or clipper cutting, it is critical to have a comprehensive understanding of the tools and equipment used in hair cutting. Introduction to basic cutting techniques. Scissors shears. Scissors are the primary tool for cutting hair. They come in various sizes and shapes, with the most common being straight shears. Thinning shears have serrated blades designed to remove bulk without altering the overall shape of the cut. Clippers are commonly used for short hair styles and are essential for barbering. They come with various attachments called guards that allow for cuts of different lengths. Combs. Different combs are used depending on the technique. Fine-tooth combs are good for precision cutting, while wide-tooth combs are better for detangling and distributing hair evenly. Razor, used for texturizing and softening the edges of a haircut. Razors can create layered styles that have movement and texture. Maintenance of tools. Proper maintenance of cutting tools is vital for ensuring their longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and sharpening of scissors and clippers prevent dullness, which can lead to uneven cuts and potential damage to the hair. Understanding cutting tools and equipment. Scissor over comb technique. The scissor over comb technique is one of the fundamental practices in hair cutting, especially for shorter hairstyles and men's cuts. Position the comb, hold the comb vertically, and lift a section of the hair. Cut along the comb, use the scissors to trim the hair along the edge of the comb. The comb acts as a guide for the length. Consistent movement. Move both the comb and scissors consistently to maintain an even cut. Angle adjustment. Adjust the angle of the comb to blend the hair smoothly between different lengths. This technique requires practice to master hand-eye coordination and to ensure smooth, even cuts. Clipper cutting. Clipper cutting is efficient for creating short, uniform styles and fades. Select the guard. Choose the appropriate clipper guard based on the desired hair length. Begin at the nape. Start cutting at the nape of the neck, moving upward against the natural growth direction of the hair. Blend gradually. For fades, gradually decrease the clipper guard size as you move up the head to create a tapering effect. Edge detailing. Use the clippers without a guard around the edges for precise detailing. Understanding hair types and textures. An important aspect of mastering cutting techniques is understanding the types and textures of hair.
Straight hair tends to lie flat and reflect light well, making it glossy. Requires precision and can show imperfections easily. Wavy hair has a natural wave and can be cut to enhance movement and volume. Curly hair, naturally voluminous and can shrink when dry, so extra caution is needed regarding length. Coily hair, extremely tight curls that require specific techniques to avoid frizz and maintain definition. Combining techniques for precision. Once basic techniques are mastered, they can be combined for more complex styles. For example, combining the scissor over comb method with clipper cuts allows for precise blending and texturing. Practice and persistence. Proficiency in cutting techniques comes with practice. Consistent application and experimentation promote confidence and skill development, leading to successful hairstyling outcomes. Here's a summary. Introduction to basic cutting techniques. Understanding cutting principles. 1. Tension and control. Maintaining control over the hair and scissors. 2. Cutting angles and planes. Understanding how to cut at different angles and planes. 3. Weight distribution. Balancing weight in the hair to achieve desired styles. Basic cutting techniques. 1. Blunt cutting. Cutting straight across the hair shaft. 2. Point cutting. Cutting into the hair shaft at a point. 3. Slice and dice cutting. Cutting at an angle to create texture and layering. 4. Gradation cutting. Cutting at a gradual angle to create a seamless blend. Cutting tools and equipment. 1. Scissors. Choosing the right scissors for the job. 2. Razors. Using razors for cutting and texturizing. 3. Thinning scissors. Using thinning scissors to reduce bulk and weight. Hair cutting fundamentals. 1. Sectioning hair. Dividing hair into sections for easier cutting. 2. Working in a pattern, following a pattern to maintain symmetry and balance. 3. Using guidelines to achieve precise cuts. Tips for mastering basic cutting techniques. 1. Practice, practice, practice. Developing muscle memory through repetition. 2. Focus on tension and control. Maintaining control over the hair and scissors. 3. Study and learn from others, observing and learning from experienced stylists. Here's a summary. Understanding cutting tools and equipment. Cutting tools. 1. Scissors. Different types, e.g., straight, curved, thinning for various cutting techniques. 2. Razors, used for cutting, texturizing, and creating layers. 3. Clippers, electric or manual, for cutting and trimming hair. 4. Trimmers, used for detailing, edging, and creating defined lines. Equipment. 1. Combs, wide tooth, fine tooth, and retail combs for detangling, sectioning, and guiding. 2. Brushes, paddle, round, and flat brushes for smoothing, styling, and finishing. 3. Cutting chairs and stations, ergonomic design for comfort and efficiency. 4. Sanitizing equipment, autoclaves, disinfectant sprays, and sanitizing wipes for maintaining hygiene. Materials and maintenance. 1. High-carbon stainless steel. Durable, rust-resistant material for scissors and razors. 2. Titanium and ceramic. Lightweight, corrosion-resistant materials for clippers and trimmers. 3. Regular cleaning and maintenance, sanitizing, oiling, and storing equipment properly. Safety precautions. 1. Handling sharp objects, carefully handling scissors, razors, and clippers. 2. Electrical safety, using clippers and trimmers with caution, avoiding water and heat. 3. Protective gear, wearing gloves, aprons, and safety glasses when necessary. Tips for choosing and using cutting tools and equipment. 1. Invest in quality tools, purchasing durable, well-made equipment. 2. Practice proper technique, using tools correctly to avoid injury and damage. 3. Maintain equipment regularly, cleaning, sanitizing, and storing equipment properly. In conclusion, understanding the tools and mastering basic cutting techniques, such as scissor over comb and clipper cutting, are foundational elements in hairdressing. Each technique offers versatility when applied correctly, allowing stylists to achieve various styles while tailored to each client's needs. Thank you for taking this lesson on basic cutting techniques. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Happy dressing!